Welcome to 5000 Hearthstone Court in the Hearthstone section of Twin Hickory. This home has been meticulously maintained and loved, and it is in a desired section of Twin Hickory. It's in walkable distance to Twin Hickory Elementary School, to Deep Run High School, and to the pool and clubhouse. It has over 3,500 square feet with 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and a half bath, and a huge third floor home office setup dream situation with a full bath and kitchen minibar. Let's take a look. As we look at exterior lighting, all of the lights have been changed with Ferguson lighting. The yard has been professionally landscaped. The sellers have installed hardwoods on the first and second floor, except for the 5th bedroom. You have formal living, and also formal dining. The 2-story foyer also has a blind that's motorized with a remote control. As you walk through the formal rooms, it goes into the back of the home, which has an open floor plan. There's plenty of storage space in this home. You have a half bath right up front, in addition to your coat closet. And this home is actually hardwired Ethernet as well. The family room is very warm and inviting. There are 9-foot ceilings in this downstairs area, and you can see the triple crown molding as well. The kitchen has granite countertops, tile backsplash. All the appliances are about 5 years old or less. And there's also a griddle for the gas grill. The sink is actually composite, so it's very durable. The home also has a pantry. The sellers also installed Plantation shutters throughout the home and Solarguard to protect the windows from the sun. There's also a beautiful artwork throughout the home, so that's why they use the Solarguard. There's a custom window seat and with storage underneath as well. As you can see, the open floor plan makes for a great entertaining space. The mudroom has built-in cabinets that the sellers installed as well with a desk. Perfect drop zone for the kids or for family that is very busy. This leads actually to the 2-car garage with pedestrian door. And the sellers have a brand new 100-gallon water heater, which is just a few years old. And out back to the left, they installed, had built a screen and porch. And they also extended their deck. So this is truly an oasis for the sellers and could be for you as well. I can definitely imagine myself being quarantined here. Beautiful entertaining space, beautiful landscape yard. They've also planted a multiple fast-growing evergreens for privacy. They've put a lot of money into the landscaping professionally, and it's fully fenced in the backyard. So if you have a puppy, it's ready for you. As we go back into the house, let's take a look at the second floor. Throughout the home, please note that there are ceiling fans and lights in almost all of the rooms, gas fireplace and built-ins in the medium area. And again, you can see the beautiful layout of the downstairs area. It's a very functional home. And we we'll go upstairs. They also installed the hardwoods on the staircase. This home gets light all day long. It's south facing. The top of the stairs to the right is a French door to one of the bedrooms, and they use it as an entertaining space for their kids. There's also a nice sized closet. So you can see there's plenty of space for storage. Left of the staircase is the master bedroom. Beautiful bay window, plantation shutters, ceiling fan and light. Take note of the crown molding and ensuite bath with jetted tub, separate shower, and dual vanity. See, there's even crown molding in the bathroom. There's a very nice sized master closet. It's a walk-in closet, perfect. And offers plenty of storage for you. As we walk down the hall, there are two more bedrooms to your right and left. Each have nice sized closet. This one has a walk-in closet, a very large walk-in closet for a secondary bedroom. And then across the hall is bedroom number 3. Perfect for your princess with double door closet. Plenty of space for your little ones or for a guest. The hall bath has double vanity, so the kids don't have to fight, and has been very well taken care of. There is vinyl flooring in the secondary bathroom, and also a nice sized linen closet right across from the bathroom. Perfect placement. As we walk down the hallway, there's a second floor laundry room, and it's quite large for the space. Vinyl flooring, and there's also built-in shelving, and there's attic access here as well. And at the end of the hallway is the 5th bedroom. There's carpet that's very plush, and there's actually 2 huge walk-in closets in this room. They use it currently as a rec room, but it could be a 5th bedroom, an office space, media room, workout room, flex room. This home offers so much storage, so if you're looking for that, this is for you. we walk down the hall, we're going to take a look at the third floor. There's a door that leads to the third floor, so it technically could be a 6th bedroom, but again, this is a perfect executive home office. The carpet is very plush and it is actually soundproof. There are closets all along this wall that are connected, and there's a built-in home office desk set up, perfect for people working from home, which is what we're seeing more right now. There's also a kitchen put in, perfect space for a refrigerator, wet bar for entertaining, or just for having drinks in your room up there. And a renovated 3rd story bathroom with granite counters. They use this nook here for a workout room, but would also make a good media area as well. And there are 2 solar tubes in this 3rd floor. They use these 3 areas as storage, so it would be perfect for someone that needs to store lots of items. And this door is for your HVAC access, your air handler. Again, more closet space, all connected upstairs. A perfect 3rd floor. Could even be a teen suite, a nanny suite, whatever you want it to be. Thank you so much for watching this extensive walkthrough video. It's for sellers that are immune compromised and wanted to make sure that there was interest in this home before viewing.